Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on TCL 605. So first, open the Bluetooth settings, disable and enable the Bluetooth. That's the first step. Next, click the gear next to your Bluetooth device and click Forget. And now wait till it's once again here and click Pair. It is pairing. I'll try once again. Okay, pair. And if it's still not working, then try to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.